guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am at Reliable Subi Garage. I decided to go 400 horsepower. So here it is, the car is underneath the knife. I'm at my good buddy's shop, Larry.
What's going on, guys?
Here he is. Hey Larry.
Yep.
You got an Instagram for all the viewers to see?
I think it's at Reliable Subi Garage.
If you guys want to check out his shop, if you guys are in Phoenix, make sure you hit him up for any kind of Subi repairs, upgrades, or anything like that. So right now they're currently working on the car. So what do we have here? What's going to be done to the car? We got the PERRIN turbo inlets. It's going to be installed. We got this monster beast right here, the Process West top mount intercooler. This thing is actually really heavy compared to the stock one. It's massive. And then this one right here, we have the Blouch Dom 1.5 turbo. Got the welded internal wastegate so we can run external. And going over here, we got the AOS IAG competition. And then we have the PERRIN fuel pressure regulator. Let's check this out. We got the Turbosmart dual port blow-off valve. It's pretty nice. And we got the 320 AEM fuel pump. You can also run ethanol with this too as well. Then we got the ID 1300 injectors with the pigtails. And as we mentioned, we're running the external wastegate, so we got the Turbosmart GATECOMP 40, 14 psi springs. Then we have the Turbo XS up pipe that we're gonna mount this on. And then let's see what we have in this box. So we got the TGV deletes, the IAG TGV deletes. And these are just the hose for the AOS, running this coast one-step cold spark plugs. And then we have the AEM wideband AFR. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So here's the car itself. Currently it has a Cobb SF intake and a NVIDIA R400 catback. So it's going to sound a lot louder with that NVIDIA downpipe. What's going on, guys? I'm back and we are done with the install. So Larry and Isaiah has completed the install. AOS, turbo, the Process West. And then we have the Complex with the PERRIN Fuel pressure regulator. Yeah, looks great.